In the academic justice system, the students are represented by two separate yet equally important groups. The university librarians, who help identify quality sources for research papers, and the university faculty, who read and grade said papers. These are their stories.
I know I've read this well-reasoned opinion before, and it sure isn't the student's original work.
Please look at this paper submitted as Evidence A. Is this your research paper discussing agricultural practices in Cambodia?
Yes, this is my paper.
Do you claim to be a subject expert on agricultural practices in Cambodia?
Gosh, no. I did hours of research at the library. One of the librarians there helped me find quality resources about my assigned topic.
And the highlighted section of the paper? Is that your opinion?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Why do you look so guilty?
Objection. Speculation. Overruled. The defendant will answer the counsel's question.
Does that highlighted section represent your opinion?
Okay. I summarized a paragraph I read that really supported my argument about sesame seeds. I was in a hurry and I changed some of the words around. What's the big deal?
You realize changing words around is not enough. Copying a summary sentence in paragraph structure is also considered plagiarism.
Oh, I'm sorry. The journal article was just so difficult to understand and I had trouble explaining the information. I didn't intend to commit plagiarism.
Quiet in the court. I'll hold you all in contempt. Don't think I won't. If you're having trouble summarizing another person's opinion, try paraphrasing without looking at the original text and rely on your memory and notes. You know more than you think, and your professor genuinely wants to read your opinion about agricultural practices in Cambodia too. I sentence you to rewrite this research paper in question and use your own words this time. If you have any questions about academic integrity and plagiarism, the online writing lab at Purdue University provides a great overview of safe practices. Also, don't be afraid to ask your professors or the wonderful librarians. Court is adjourned.